Hello, everybody. It is Tuesday, September 29th. Today we're going to go to classwork. We are going to have a CNN 10 video for today. Here's the link, and you have a Google Doc here that you need to write down 2 facts for me that you have learned from that video. The instructional video will also be put here when I am done recording. So, CNN 10, your Google Doc for facts, and the instructional video will be here. We are also going to be finishing up your province presentations. So those of you who did not present Monday will be presenting today. Depending on how long that is, if we finish early, we will go on to the video lecture and guided notes and finish the lesson that we were working on. If we don't get to it, then we will do this on Wednesday. Okay, so you're going to do CNN 10 instructional video and your 2 facts. Then we're going to do province presentations, and if we finish that and there's time, we're going to go to the video lecture and guided notes. And there is a video in here that you will be watching of me explaining everything and reviewing. Okay, so that's the instructions for today.